The big snowstorm on January 6th, 2024. We got between 6 and 8 inches. 8 if you measure out in the yard, but closer to 6 on the patio table. So maybe average 7. And just waiting on another round tonight between 6 and 10. But I think we're only going to get 1 to 3 inches or so more. So it won't be bad. And then some really cold weather for the rest of the week. Goats are up there. I think they're doing pretty good so far. Got plenty of hay. Taking up some more warm water tonight. And then we'll see what happens this weekend for the next one.